Video is going to help you with the first part on the lab. The first question you need to do. The metal I'm going to be working with is copper. So I'm going to make a little note there. Cu is my copper. And we are supposed to calculate the heat gained by the water, which is the same as the heat lost by the metal. So we're going to be using Q equals MCAT. Q is heat, M is mass, C is specific heat. Delta T means change in temperature, as you know. So we're going to be using, the first part is about what the water is doing. So we want to know how much heat the water gained. So Q for the water is what we're going to find. So in order to do that, we're going to need to look up some factors to help us plug in. We're going to need the mass of the water. We're going to need the specific heat of the water. We're going to need the change in temperature of the water. And we're going to plug all those in, and that's going to give us our answer. So let me look at the data table. I've recorded my data. So I'm going to choose a little photo here, which shows that I recorded my data. So here's my data that I recorded. Let me see if I can move this photo over to the side here to help us. Perfect. All right. So now we have our data table nearby for the water. So I'll look at my data. I have here the mass of the cup and the water, the mass of the empty cup, I subtracted. So I got 117 grams, and that is the mass of water. So I'm going to plug that in right here, 117 grams for M. And then I'm going to plug in the C for water, which I need to look up on the data table. And if you look it up on the table of specific heats, it's 4.18. And then I need to plug in, when I look at my numbers here, delta T is going to be 5.2 grams. All right, so let me move this one out of the way, I hope. And I'm going to plug those in. So again, it was, for the water, it was 117 from our data table. C, when you look it up, is 4.18 joules over grams degrees C. And delta T came out to be 5.2 when we did the math. Those three multiplied together is going to give you the Q for this. And that's how you do it, my friends. Solve that one out, and the answer comes out